Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Uh, I'm going to play a little bit of Forza Motorsport, not Horizon, Forza Horizon 5 or 4. This is Forza Motorsport, more of a simulator in a way, a little bit more difficult. I am trying my new Thrustmaster controller instead of the steering wheel, and I am on the Track Specials tour. It's called the Enthusiast Tour, I guess, but Track Specials is the first event, and that's what we're racing. You can only race one at a time until it opens up more. So right now, this is my only option. You can do a lot of performance tuning, setups, and things like that. I am just going to race. Okay, third lap, and we'll see if we can jump up from 16th. Oh, look at that. Dude. Yes. Jumped up from 16th to 1st. Wow. That was just a little bit more focus. That's all that was. One thing that's really weird to get used to is there's no qualifying. There's only practice. And then depending on how you do, you can gamble a little bit, which is weird. It's just really weird. So you can gamble with what position you start. And the further back you start, the more points you can earn because there's more cars to pass. So I've got to move this file over to the different hard drive. What? So here we go. Okay, I'll show you. So this is it right here. So third is the highest. You can't go first or second. But you'll only get 2,450 credits. If you start last, it's 6,800 credits. And it tells you what your odds are. You should be able to get second to fourth. Still really good, but I don't think that's true. So I like to start top 10. It's fair, but it still means I have to pass 10 cars. So should I just start third and win? I'm going to split the difference and go 6th. So rolling start. Beep. Here we go. Oh, I have to shift. Ugh. Had to remember. Oh my gosh, that was terrible. So I had to, again, I forgot that I have to shift. That was terrible. See if I can gain back some. Woo! Oh, I keep hitting the wrong. So can I restart? Can I just restart? It won't let me, will it? I'm going from paddle shifters to a new controller, and I was hitting what I thought were the paddles, which changed my view and didn't do anything about the shifting. So I am in 12th place, and I've got 7 laps. That was terrible. That was absolutely awful. I have never shifted with those buttons before. It's definitely just needs to get to be put in muscle memory. Shift up, shift down. Usually I use my, well, I don't know. That's not true. The throttle and the brake are always on the top, so. That's a tough spot right there. I have to tap the emergency brake just to stay off the grass. But man, we're gonna have to get on it. Use the draft a little bit, fly past him. That's just one car. Came in pretty hot and heavy there. Realized that was the bad corner where I end up in the dirt. Hit that guy pretty hard. I apologize for that to that guy. Downshift to third. Got to keep your power. Whew. Come on now. Now I'm in 10th, which is where I started. So 2 laps in, and I'm back to where I was. So gonna have to drive really smart. But see, you get points for overtakes and things like that. So if you're in the back of the pack, you can do that kind of stuff. So there are some benefits to having people to pass. Winning's not everything, but it is pretty nice. Come on, let's go. I've got cars I can pass right there. See if I can get a really good run. I mean, I'm obviously faster than them. I only passed 2. I was hoping to pass more, but it's okay. Stayed in 5th gear, so that's good. Kept my speed up. I think this is the dirt corner. We'll call it dirt corner. It just is deceiving. Woo! I need to not be afraid of it, just be prepared for it. I am on these guys. Woo! Maybe a little too much on these guys, but it's alright. Rubbing is racing, baby. Hey, 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 hey. Let's go, let's go, let's go. There's the car I was admiring. I'll take him on the inside. Think I can tuck this corner maybe. And come on, come on, come on. Okay, 3rd lap, 4 to go, and I'm in 4th. That's great. So it's possible if I don't screw up. Now, I can get penalties if I drive too rough, so I've already driven rougher than I... Oh, that guy swerved at me. Woo! Try not to steer too sharp, so if you hear your tires squealing, you need to slow down, back off, something. Other times, the tires are just going to squeal. Okay, so those are the top... Come on, dude. I'm going way faster than you. Dirt corner. I'm surprised I didn't get a big old penalty for that. That was not great. So, they're going slower than me. I need to remember that and be patient. With 3 laps to go, it should not be a problem to pass those guys, but I can't do that again. Okay, 90-degree corner here. Ooh, a little bit of lag. Let's go. Now, straightaway here, should be able to take this guy off here. Slide around him. Shift down to 3rd, tuck the corner, hit the brake, full throttle, go low, full throttle, go low. Okay, brake, tuck it in, no throttle, and then full throttle. Right there. Good corner, good corner. Okay, brake, no throttle, full throttle. 4th gear. All right, look behind me. Okay, we're good there. So, unfortunately, I was not ready to pass him.
3 to go.
But I'm trying to match his driving and stay with him. So, I'm just coasting here, now full throttle. Backing off just a little bit. This is dirt corner, and I don't want to mess up here, so I'm going to slow it down, go third gear. He's still going way slower than me. This is my tough corner where I almost end up in the grass over there. Let's see if I can go low, 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 low. Woo! Come on. Let's go. Nice. Okay, we're in first. Took me 5 laps. Now, I have to race smart or end up in the dirt. Fourth gear, that's pretty high. RPMs are revving, but dirt corner. Dirt corner. Dirt corner. No, 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 no. Come on, dude. Come on now. 2 positions. Woo! Oh. I was not prepared for dirt corner. I was thinking about my RPMs and what gear I should be in. And now I'm back in second with a lap and a half to go. Just remember, I am faster than him, but I need to outdrive him. Oh, it's really raining. Okay, I should be able to pass him on this, but then we're going to be pretty close in the corner, I think, together. Woof, it is raining good. So the track, woo, it feels like it's pouring down rain, doesn't it? That's awesome. Okay, so 1 lap to go, which means I have to go through dirt corner one more time. And I don't want to blow it. Man, there is standing water on the track. Can you see that? This is what makes this game, one of the things that makes this game so good. I've never driven a game that has such realistic dirt corner. Come on, yes. Whoo! That has, yeah, realistic rain. That's what I'm talking about. Let's focus. No. That was terrible. That wasn't even dirt corner. That was a different corner. Lost focus. Dude, unbelievable. Let's go. There's still a chance. Let's go. Pass a little beamer. Come on now. Let's go. Ah. I'm going to have to really fight it. I like this corner, though. This one's good. If you can just stay low right here and then switch and stay low. And this is the one, if you're not careful, you can end up in the grass. Okay, all right, all right, all right, all right. Woo! Let's go. Be smart, be smart, be smart, be smart. Finish line is right there, baby. Woo! That's how you do it. Yes. All right. First place. That was fun. Thanks for joining me. Yes, first place at Grand Oak Raceway.
We finished P1.
And second place overall in this series by 5 points. So, if you like that, come back and join me next time I race here with Forza Motorsport. But for this time, Mr. Johns is out.